Hey folks, it's Chef Kevin. Tonight I'm making Aleppo chicken. Now you may be wondering, what is Aleppo?
And what is Aleppo? You're kidding? No.
Well, that was Gary Johnson, former governor of New Mexico and 2016 presidential candidate. He didn't know what Aleppo is. Aleppo is a pepper that is grown in Syria. Give you a close-up look here. Can't see that too well, but it is Aleppo flaked red pepper. This is a fairly hot pepper, but not over the top at all. I would say it's medium hot. Has a very nice flavor, and it has a smoky type fruity flavor. So that's what I'm going to be putting on this chicken, as well as some sea salt and pepper. And I'm going to barbecue this with sauce and without sauce. I actually prefer not the barbecue sauce, but I like mine with just some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice on it. Nature sauce, no calories, no fat. Really got a nice vibrant taste to it, as we all know. Okay, so let's butcher this chicken. I just washed it, and there's a couple of thoughts on washing, a couple of schools of thoughts on washing chicken. Some people say do it, some people don't do it. I do it because there could be foreign matter on the chicken or in the chicken, and you don't know where that chicken's been really. So I prefer to wash it in cold water, inside and outside, pat it dry, paper towels, and I even put a paper towel in the bird just to absorb any extra water. Just remember to take the paper towel out before you cook it. So this is actually a 4-pound bird, and what I'm going to do is cut it into the standard 8 parts. So we have 2 wings, 2 legs, 2 breasts, 2 thighs. Always make sure you have a sharp knife. Find the spine and just cut down on either side. I'm removing the backbone. Now you can use this for making a soup or a stock. There's really no edible meat there, and in some supermarkets you can actually buy these pieces because they can't do nothing with it either. So that's that. I'm going to separate the leg from the breast. Going to separate the wing from the breast. I always cut that little tip off because all that does really is take up space on the grill. And again, there's really no meat in here. You can put that into the stock pot as well. Separate the thigh from the leg. Get rid of that excess skin. You can feel where the thigh is separates from the breast. Trim off that excess fat. Now the wing. And there we have it. Let's start seasoning. Okay, here it is all cut up, 8 pieces. And before I season it, I just want to say something about the whole washing the chicken thing. I left out something rather important. A lot of people don't wash their chickens or rinse their chickens because they say that when you do wash it, the water has a tendency to go off in different direction. It sprays out, and I'm sure that's possible if you use too much water, but what I do is I just use a low flow and hold it right into the sink so the water can't splatter all over the place. Chicken has been known to get people sick due to salmonella, which is a serious disease, serious sickness. Okay, I'm going to start out with pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to put on a good amount because a lot of this will just fall off. Ground pepper. And my Aleppo.
About Aleppo.
Okay, I'm going to flip it over, do the other side. You always do 2 sides, of course. Salt and pepper, the 2 most common spices in the world. Salt acts as a flavor enhancer.
Channel 1.
Ah, the UPS guy has arrived. Okay, and some more Aleppo. And that's it. So now let's go to the backyard. It's a beautiful night down here in Jamesville, Virginia. And I'm going to put this on the barbecue. And how I'm going to do this is once the barbecue coals are spread out evenly, I'm going to add the larger pieces first because they take longer to cook, of course. And I'll spread those out along the edges because the heat in the middle would just be too intense. And then as the fire dies down slowly, I'll add the other pieces. And I'm not going to say anything once I'm in the backyard. You can listen to the birds and the seashore and watch the sunset as well. So let's do this. Yeah, but you can talk.
Oh, well, that's the whole thing. See, how am I supposed to know? See, if you had your walkie-talkie on you.
Come on, Dodie.
See, it's going to be nice.
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Oh, is Val's out?
She's in the garage.
Okay, Sandy's out.
Yeah.
Joy wants to go in. Probably I didn't eat breakfast all day. I just have to have a little because I'm wheezy.
Are you serious? Oh, this is going to be a real good video. It's going to be a great sunset. But the food's going to suck. Look at those clouds. Isn't that kind of weird? I saw a hawk.
Already starting, look how it's already above the sunset, it's already starting to get pinky bluey.
Is that a hawk, Jen?
A what?
A hawk. Yeah, it's a hawk. It's got the square tail.
Don't seagulls have a square tail?
No. Hi, Sandy. Doey.
That wing flapping didn't seem like a hawk, though.
Maybe you're right. What do I know? Oh, look at that sun. I'm recording this with a sun filter.
Oh.
Do you know what time it is? I'm sorry to keep asking you, bud.
That's okay. You're not keeping asking me. It is 7. Oh, man. I don't think I can read my watch.
Oh, don't worry about it.
It's 7:51.
Okay, that makes sense. Sunset's pretty much like 8 o'clock now.
Yeah, I'm going to put my Eskimo jacket on and finish the cereal, put my Eskimo jacket on, make myself a drink, and come outside.
Yeah, it's chilliness. Sunset on the Chesapeake.
So the liquid is going down.
You better keep it up.
And mine over here has been falling over. That was pretty strong wind.
Yeah, I can't believe it. Yeah, chicken feed.
But maybe it was the food. Maybe they thought there was food in there. That
Yeah.
hummingbird was coming to the seed feeder thinking because it was red, it was had sugar water in it, but he was wrong. Whoa, the grass. Well, he just mowed it a week ago. Wow. Look how high it already is.
I'm gonna kill all this grass around here. I hate it. It's so hard for me.
It's ugly, but what's it going to look like, that?
Yeah. Take it or leave it. Sunset, Jamesville.
Yeah, well, this is your side of the house. This is your side of the house, and that's my side of the house.
What about Doughy?
It's just that it's going to look so ugly when you sit out on the barbecue.
Yes, Jen, I agree. But I'm trying to kill the grass and the weeds because that's where the insects are. And I don't want to get the insects on the dogs.
Oh, I
So
got
I'm
you.
trying to, they sleep with me.
Is that what they recommend doing?
I don't think I got a recommendation, but I think it's pretty much common sense.
So you think the insects are over here because of the grass?
Well, the insects are in the grass, the ticks,
flies.
the flies, yeah.
Oh, well, I saw something when I went out that gate. There was some little, very tiny creature on the handle.
Doughy. Eating
Now,
grass.
what does a tick look like?
Well, we've had ticks on dogs on quite a few
Oh, you
occasions.
didn't answer my text. What are those water things for?
That's a home remedy to keep the flies out of the property.
That keeps flies out? How does it do that?
Okay, there's pennies in there that reflect the light through the water, and the reflection is supposed to scare the flies away. And this is a video I actually saw last year. So it's a cheap thing. Let's see if it works. I mean, there's been no flies because it's been so cold and windy lately.
When did you put them out? Because I didn't.
2 days
I noticed.
ago.
Today's Monday, so Saturday.
Yeah.
Because I noticed the one up on the by the door.
Yeah. Well, I'm actually upping the process by adding mirrors, little tiny mirrors. As soon as they.
You're gonna have to. Do you have tongs to get it off?
Yeah. Right here.
Oh, there. So be careful, because you're gonna have to take everything off and start over again. Careful. Everything off and start over again. Hey, careful. We're gonna lose all the garlic.
You don't like garlic.
It's been rather thick, though. I've had to chop it up. So what did we lose?
Nothing really.
Oh.
Except for that one.
And don't you have to take this off?
No, just move that aside.
But you're gonna have to do a lot of editing.
Oh yeah.
That doesn't even fit on here.
I know.
Will it fit if we remove the corn?
Don't worry. 2 people will see this video. Okay, in the meantime, I almost forgot your barbecue sauce.
You almost what?
Forgot your barbecue sauce?
Oh.
Am I speaking English?
You don't always put barbecue sauce on it.
If I don't, then you ask why I don't.
I don't think I'm gonna let you on my porch.
Your dreams are crushed.
Okay, well, I still sort of have the Medicare dilemma. Oh, so what I was trying to say is they want to bill you quarterly because you're not getting Social Security for them to deduct it from. But because your first date of payment was June, yeah, I wonder how they're going to remedy that. Oh, man. Then they're going to bill you a single monthly bill for December?
Yeah, this is Mexican street corn here. Some mayonnaise, a little butter, a little salt. It's all good. Some smoked chicken here. Have some shishito peppers. Yellow peppers. There. Some garlic. We looking good here, folks. Looking good in the neighborhood. Okay. This is how I like it. Lemon juice. lemon juice. This chicken is nice and smoky, moist. Oh, this is so good. You can go into some of the best restaurants in Manhattan and you're not going to get this good of a meal. Okay, folks. Hope you enjoyed this rather long video. If you like me, you like my style, then do the right thing.